Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Credit Karma. It's really simple and easy. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open the Credit Karma application here and then tap on the menu icon in the top right corner, and after that tap on the settings under general. Then tap on contact and security, and then you will see the option tap on the edit next to your phone. Enter your new phone number and tap on continue, then tap on select text me, and you will receive a verification code. Then enter the verification code you receive on your phone and tap on verify. You can also update your number on the Credit Karma app as well. Credit Karma only allows one mobile number per account. If you try to use a phone number that is already registered to another Credit Karma member, you won't be able to use it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change your phone number on Credit Karma. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.